we've discharged an additional 5 patients, and this brings to the number of total recoveries 129. Regarding our COVID-19 situation, we continue to see a trend where we have new positive cases recorded primarily in Nairobi and Mombasa counties. While this may be indicative of the disease being domiciled in these 2 counties, it is also a pointer to the immense work that is required in Nairobi and Mombasa. And therefore, as we spotlight Nairobi and Mombasa and ensure that we enhance our interventions there, this is not a license for other counties to celebrate and to drop their guard. Rather, it is a call to action for the rest of the country to enhance the containment measures and to ensure that the virus is kept at bay and the curve is flattened. In the last 24 hours, we have tested a total of 508 samples from 14 counties. Out of this number, 10 tested positive for coronavirus, and of these, 9 are from Mombasa and 1 from Nairobi. This brings to total 384 total number of positive cases in the country. From the number tested, 284 samples were from Nairobi, while 89 were from Mombasa. All the 9 cases in Mombasa were picked from the community by our disease surveillance teams. And it is important that I emphasize at this point that indeed, from the data that we are synthesizing, we are noting that in the beginning of this scourge, we had most of the cases being imported cases, but right now, the tables have turned and most of our cases are coming from local transmission within our communities. And so our containment measures are quite crucial at this point. Each of the following areas has had 1 case: Old Town, Santana, Miritini, Bamburi, Mikandani, Kibokoni, Ganjoni, Memon, and Chuda. The Nairobi case is from Kawangware. As government, we have continued to partner with Mombasa County on containment measures to curtail the spread of infection, and we are organizing for additional and enhanced surveillance and management support for Mombasa County. We are also urging Mombasa County residents to rededicate themselves in this fight and support the county government of Mombasa and national government in helping to contain this virus. With regard to age distribution, today's 10 cases are aged between 12 and 63 years, and in terms of gender, 6 are male and 4 are female. We have also shared with you the current distribution of cases by county of detection and isolation, and this will be availed to you. It's important to note and maintain that Nairobi and Mombasa maintain lead with the highest number of isolated cases. We do thank you all Kenyans for your continued commitment in this fight, but we also would like to remind you to remember to be compassionate and to be your brother's keeper. Together, we will be able to beat this virus. And again, fellow Kenyans, the matter of stigma could actually